Hey everyone, it's Laura here, and I'm doing a plan with me with another kit from a Goodwin design. As you know, I PR for a Goodwin design, so we get the stickers before everybody else, although we got this one a little bit later this time. So this set was released this Friday just gone, and with the newsletter, and it's called Fresh Beginnings. The colour theme is greens, creams and charcoaly colours, and the theme is flowery theme for this time. So I'm just setting up the last week in March, which begins on the 29th of March and ends on the 4th of April. The first thing I did was white out the days of the week and add some days of the week from the set. So, and then I typed in the dates. So this is a mini kit. It's available in the A Goodwin design shop, and if you watch till the end of the video, I shall share with you a discount code which will get you 20% off your purchase in the A Goodwin design Etsy shop. So I added there a full box and cropped it to fit in the space. The next thing I'm doing is adding some quarter boxes at the top of each day. There's two different designs, the stripy black and white design and the green and cream floral design. I'm just doing an alternate design between the two, so it makes it a little bit more interesting. So the next thing I'm doing is adding the full boxes onto this rectangle, and I'm cropping it down to make it fit. Now I've been having some Xodo issues recently, so I downloaded the beta version of Xodo. As you know, I'm using a Android device, my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and I'm using Xodo, of course, to plan, and sometimes I use Autodesk Sketchbook. It depends on what I want to do. So with that rectangle then I added some washi and a quote and some decoration. Next thing I'm doing now is adding in some checkboxes, cropping them down because I don't need so many, so we're just adding 3. Again, there's two different designs of checkbox. We've got the black spotty one and the black and white stripes, and I'm just alternating between the two. And the next thing I'm doing is adding the colour blocks to the bottom of the page to make these bottom spaces match the rest of the spread. So I think we've got 5 different colours in this set. They're all sort of greens and creams, so that's the colours. Pastel-y as normal, because we know that the designer of these stickers loves her pastels. So here we are then with a light green, a peachy skin colour and a sort of tan, and now a darker green. And the next one I use is the charcoal black for those boxes. Sometimes I'll put a quote in, it depends on how I feel, so we're just grabbing in a quote here and working out where to put it. The start of something new. And the next thing we're doing now is adding some washi for some decoration on the days, in no particular order really, just to make it look pretty. I think we've got 3 or 4 different types of long washi, and so we're just adding that there. And I'm just going to add a couple more bits of decoration, and we're almost done with this spread. Now I was trying to work out how to add the month in that top corner where I'm adding the decoration flowers. So So we're doing March, April there. And we're just going to add some event stickers that came with the newsletter of freebies. So it's Easter this week, so we've got Friday, Good Friday. I added Autism Awareness Day on the 1st because my son has autism. So that's it then for the spread. Thank you all for watching. The code you need for your discount is AGDTEAM, and that will get you 20% off. Okay then, see you next time.